Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the home screen and style. Let's tap on it. Then in this preview we've got the lock screen and here the wallpaper, so let's tap on select wallpaper. And here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. If you want to, you can tap on more, and then you will be transferred to the themes from which you can choose some different options, much more than only here in the presets. So basically, let me choose something from those options. So just tap on the specific option and tap on it, and as you can see, it will be applied to the home screen. If you'd like to apply it also to the lock screen, you can change it manually. But let me just tap on apply to confirm everything. So I will change the wallpaper only for the home screen. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.